In this video, we will explore the top 5 online courses in data science for beginners. Number 5, Data Science Foundations using R. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of data science using the R programming language. This course covers the basics of data science, like what are the fundamental tools used by a data scientist, basics of R programming language for beginners in data science, how to obtain and clean data, exploratory data analysis, reproducible research, etc. This course is offered by Johns Hopkins University and is suitable for anyone without prior experience in data science to get hands-on experience in data science basics and explore the next phases in data science learning. You can find the link for the course in the description below. Number 4, Python Programming for Beginners in Data Science. This Python for Beginners course teaches you just enough Python training online with Python 3.0 for data science. It covers basic Python programming to do data science, machine learning and deep learning, and also covers the fundamental object-oriented concepts in Python. Also, this course helps you to form good programming base in Python to apply it to machine learning algorithms. You can find the link for the course in the description below. Number 3, Mathematics for Machine Learning. This course will help you in getting you up to speed in the underlying mathematics, building an intuitive understanding, and relating it to machine learning and data science. In this course, you will understand what linear algebra is and how it relates to data. Then you can learn what vectors and matrices are and how to work with them. In the second session, you will learn multivariate calculus and how to optimize fitting functions to get good fits to data. It starts from introductory calculus and then uses the matrices and vectors to look at data fitting. The third part of this course is dimensionality reduction with principal component analysis to compress high-dimensional data. This course is offered by Imperial College of London and will help you to build the prerequisite mathematical knowledge to continue your journey and take more advanced courses in machine learning. You can find the link for the course in the description below. Number 4, Mastering Data Science and Machine Learning Fundamentals. This course will help you to understand the data science and machine learning fundamentals better. This course will teach you how and when to use each machine learning model. You will learn to create regression models using linear regression, SVM, decision trees, and ensemble modeling. Also, you will learn to classify data using k-means clustering, support vector machines, SVM, KNN, decision trees, naive Bayes, and PCA. You can find the link for the course in the description below. And let's conclude by our top course in data science fundamentals. Number 1 course, Applied Data Science by IBM. This course will help you to acquire practical skills for real-world data problems. You will learn Python. No prior programming knowledge necessary. You will then learn data visualization and data analysis. This course will help you to solidify your Python and data science skills before diving deeper into big data, AI, and deep learning. Also, upon completion of this course, you will receive an IBM badge recognizing you as a specialist in applied data science. You can find the link for the course in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel to stay updated with many more online learning materials. Good luck with your data science journey.